Hey guys, Erica here, ScrapDiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back on because I have more challenge entries to share with you today. I'm going to jump right on in because I have three entries I'd like to share with you. And this first one is from Tiffany Calvert, and I've already taken it out of the package. I had to reshoot this video. I do apologize, but it was packaged up very lovely. So thank you so much for that. All right, so let me share with you what's inside her mini loaded bag, and she's got it decorated so pretty. And let me just share with you her memory decks card. This is the memory decks card. And she used these really pretty green colors, which I absolutely love. It says, "Dreaming of flowers and sunshine," and she's got it layered with a pretty bow and enamel dots and looks like some tags from the collection, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the shape of it. And I'm just gonna turn it around so you guys can see her information. And there it is. She's T Calvert here on YouTube, and on Instagram, she's Planet T. So you guys can find her there. Super sweet. I love that. I'm going to share with you the card that she sent me. She made this handmade card. It's a donut card, and she added some washi tape, and I thought that was super sweet. And I'm just going to read it to you guys. It just says, "Erica, thanks for hosting this challenge, and congrats on 11K. I had a great time challenging myself. I tried to use a pastel color that was a bit different, and I love it. How it came out, your friend Tiffany." And I agree with you, Tiffany. I think it came out beautiful. I absolutely love the colors that you used in your memory decks card. It's gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the contents of the pocket. So she sent a few little extra goodies. She sent me these really cute baking theme embellishments. Looks like a mixer and mittens and things like that that I can use on future tags, so yay. And then she made a beautiful paper clip that says, "Be lovely." And I can put this in a traveler's notebook. And then she sent me some really pretty bling, which I love this color. Thank you for that. And then she also sent a couple of doilies, which are really pretty. Just goes with all the colors that she used. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then this is her wand, and I love wands, you guys. And it says, "Such a lovely day." So thank you for that. I will add this to my collection, and I like how you use the crepe paper. It's really pretty colors. And that's how she finished off the back. Adorable. And then I'm going to share with you the tags that she sent me. And these are the two baking tags that she sent, and they say "Handmade with Love." And as you can see, she used a scallop circle, and then she's got her cute little mixers with the fun enamel dots, and the colors coordinate with everything. And I absolutely love these tags. They're gorgeous, so thank you so much. And this is how she finished off the back, so I can add a to and from stamp. So really, really cute, and I love the ribbon, so I'll be able to attach it to a homemade treat. So very, very sweet. Thank you for that. And then she also included another tag that just says "Lovely," and it's with the same collection. And I just love the layers and the colors. So sweet. And this is Tiffany's entry. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for participating. I am going to put your entry off to the side, and I am going to move on to my next entry. And my next entry is from Alvina Diaz, who is the Latin Girl 34 here on YouTube. Hey girl, how are you? Thank you so much for participating. And let me just share with you the card that she sent me, and it looks like this. She sent this handmade card, and it says "Baking Up Some Love." How cute is that? And I'm just going to open it up. It says, "Congratulations." It says, "Hi Erica, congratulations on your 11,000 subbies. That is awesome. I love your channel. I hope you like what I did for you. Thanks for this awesome challenge. Have a great day, Alvina Diaz." Aw, thank you so much, sweetheart. I adore your creativity, and I enjoy your channel, and I just want to say thank you so much for participating. That is so super sweet. All right, so this is how her entry is packaged. She's got those really pretty flowers on top with like an embossed little tag topper, which she created on her own. Very nice. And I'm going to take it out of the package. So this is her mini loaded bag, which is super cute. It's a baking theme. And I'm going to take out her tags. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Okay, so here's the first one, and I absolutely love this tag, and I believe this is a paper tray ink tag die, in case you're wondering. And I don't have this die, believe it or not. But she made a super cute mixer, and she pieced together some colored cardstock or deco cardstock, and she has a pretty whisk with a little bit of icing on top. It's so pretty. And then it says, I love to bake. She used a sticker. Oh, I love your tag. That's really, really cute. Thank you so much for that. And then here is her second tag, and it's so super sturdy. Thank you so much. This is absolutely adorable. So she used an apron die, and she has a whisk with a little bit of icing on top, and it says sweet. And then she has a little pocket with the baking themed paper. And then look at her really pretty ribbon where I can attach it to the homemade treat. And then she has this pretty ribbon off to the side. And that is so, so cute. And then I can stamp to and from on the back of this, and it's so sturdy. So thank you so much. I love your tags. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this embellishment right here. Oh, this is so pretty. Did you hand sew this? Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that, you guys. It's a heart, and she's got a little key, like a charm right there, and then a pretty bow on the bottom. And then look at that, you guys. It's like a bookmark, I think. That is so pretty. And then look at that heart. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That is so sweet. I love that. All right, I'm gonna put that off to the side, and let's see what she has in her pocket. I'm just gonna take everything out. That's the back of her mini bag, which is gorgeous. I love that paper, it's so pretty. Okay, so here is her memory decks card, and it's so super cute. She's got a cute stamped image of this lady holding a cupcake, and then it says sweet, and then she's got her cookies and her mixer and that cute little rolling pin with the smiley face on it. That is absolutely adorable. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna turn it around so you guys can see. I'm gonna cover up her address. But there's her information, the Latin Girl 34, and her Instagram is Chapinita38, and I will leave the information in the description box below so you guys can show her some love and check out what she is creating. I love your card. It's so cute. Thank you. And then she was sweet enough to send me some handmade embellishments, and these are handmade bows, and I love them. And I can use these in a future project for sure. And beautiful packaging too. Love that. And then she has this one right here. She has some handmade hearts, and they say hugs and then love. Oh, that's so, so sweet. Thank you so much. I love them. Yay! Okay, so I truly appreciate you participating, and I loved your entry. And now I'm going to move on to my next entry. And my next entry is right here, and this is from, okay, I'm not sure who this is from. We're gonna open it up and find out. And I love how it's packaged. Look how super pretty. I'm gonna untie this ribbon and take it out. And I apologize for the noise. Let me put that off to the side. Wow, this is a gorgeous bow. Look at that bow. Is that the Brendan Walton bow? Wow, she's really super thick cardstick to make her bow. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. I love it. Look at her flower. Wow, that's gorgeous. That's a handmade flower. Okay, I'm gonna start with the card. Here's her card. So let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness, look how super cute. It says, "You're sweet," and this is definitely a handmade card. I love the colors. And look at her little stamped images of those owls, and she added some sequins. How cute is that card, you guys? I love it. All right, let me open it up and read it. Oh, okay. It says, "Hi, Erica. Thank you so much for your generous Subbie giveaway challenge. Congratulations on 11,000 subbies. I enjoy all your videos and your beautiful creations. Keep it up. Thanks again and have a great day. Sharon Sims." Oh, it's TheTara148. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love her, and she's one of my favorite crafters here on YouTube, by the way. Thank you so much, Tara, for participating. Yay! Well, her name is Sharon, but she's TheTara148 on YouTube. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love this card. Yay, I'm so happy that I have a handmade creation from you. Seriously, I love your work. I'm a big fan. So yay! Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so gorgeous. Love it. All right, so let's take out her tags. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Okay, so here, let me just put that off to the side. So here is her first tag. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. She used a mama elephant tag dye, it looks like. She used, oh my gosh, look at that super cute charm. That is absolutely adorable with the smiley face on it. She used the bride's bow, and then that cute little, I think that's a penny black stamp. She is absolutely adorable. She has her colored up so cute. She has so many tutorials and process videos, so if you're not familiar with her channel, definitely go check her out and show her some love. She is an amazing talent here on YouTube, and I absolutely love her tutorials. I'm always inspired by her work. And this says, an edible gift made just for you. Oh, that's so cute. And then look at the back, and I can stamp to and from and use this on a sweet treat. I absolutely love it. And she has made 2, and I think they're colored maybe slightly different, but pretty much the same. And I just love it. Thank you so much. These are adorable tags. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at her pretty packaging, you guys. I just love her mini loaded bag. It's so pretty. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out her Memory Decks card, and look how super cute it is. Oh my gosh, she used a Cottage Cuts die, that super cute dog. Look at all of the details in this little dog. I think she put glossy accent on his nose, and then she's holding a heart in his mouth. She's got the pretty bride's bow and that pretty doily, and it says smile, and some cute little sequins. And I love how you did the edge of your Memory Decks card. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to show you the back of her Memory Decks card, and that is Miss Sharon Sims. Oh, so super sweet. And there's her information. She's TheTara148 here on YouTube, so definitely go check her out. Oh, that's so sweet. I love that card. And then she sent me some stickers. These are so pretty. Look at those. I don't have any of these. They're like puffy hearts. Really, really pretty. I'll definitely use these on a project. And she sent me some bling. Yay! Some red bling. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you sending me some goodies and participating in my challenge. I'm so excited, you guys. So yay! Make sure you leave a comment and tell these ladies what you think of their projects. Sub to their channels and show them some love. I will be back with some more entries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.